Hello, today we're going to talk about using a program called Picasa. It is a freeware program from Google. It's no longer distributed by them, but it is readily available on CNET and other places, and we can send you a copy too. What's great about Picasa is it's a very easy program to use to edit photos such as these. These are photos you've taken of panels and you want to make nice versions of them for your sign tracker. So I'm going to go ahead and say open in Picasa Photo Viewer. There's our quick view of the thing, and then we're going to say edit in Picasa. Now, the first time you open the program, it's going to try to index all the photos on your drive. It might take a few minutes. You can restrict Picasa in that way, but here we just got our photos. This is on our easel, and the first thing you might want to do is use the straighten function. Click straighten, and this gives you an easy way to sort of make that thing look level, so when it's represented on the customer's order screen, it looks really good. So we're going to apply that. Next thing you might want to do is use this auto contrast function. This kind of brightens the whole sign up and makes it look a lot nicer. And by the way, it's obviously a fictitious agent, carry agent here. And we use auto color. That also sort of brings the color down to where we want it. And now we're going to crop it. We're going to choose, make sure you choose manual crop right here. And you can choose any one of these you want. I'll pick this one. And then you can just bring the sides down. And I like to bring them into the color if I can. And that oftentimes removes some of the keystoning effect you might sometimes get if you are taking the picture sort of off center, not straight on. So if we apply that, now we've got a really great looking sign panel. Now we can just quickly click to the next one. We're going to go ahead and use our straighten function. Click straighten. Kind of get that to where we want it. Looks pretty good. Apply that. Auto contrast, auto color looks pretty good. Crop, it's on manual already. Choose that. Come down here, bring that in tight and bring it in like that. You can also go diagonally if you want. Kind of get you, sort of two axes on one shot. I'll bring that down a little more. Going to apply that. That's done. Go to the next one. Different rider, similar story. Go ahead and straighten that the way we want it. Apply. Auto contrast, auto color, crop, manual. Choose any. Use our corner selector so we can get like that axis there, and use our corner axis here. That one's done. Apply. And last panel we got right here. Again, we're going to go straighten. Get that the way you want it. Apply. Contrast, color, crop. Bring that down in. Again, try to get into the color if you want. If you really want to get sophisticated, you can kind of fool around by removing grommets and things, but that's generally not really necessary. So there we go. We've got all four of these now just done in just really less than a minute or so. Now you have to go back to your library here. Very important. Choose back to library and then go ahead and save those changes. Go ahead and save the changes. This will make a backup of those, and then these will now be available on our drive. If we go back to our hard drive, close these out, we'll go back. We'll see now they're all ready to go. You can select, shift select, go ahead and add these to a zip file. Got our zip file now. Upload that to our SignTraker drafts section. SignTraker will unzip that file, read all the contents of those files, and then you can go ahead and search those panels by text and then assign them to the right agents. So hopefully this has been of help to you. If you have any questions, give us a ring in the office or send us an email or visit us at signtracker.com.